Algorand cost especially equivalent to $0.1095 a coin, which basically is very critical. The present exchange cost range, 0.1072 to 0.1114, which for the most part is very critical. The earlier day close, 0.1111, which explicitly is genuinely critical. The change in a real sense was 0.0016, 1.44% in an unobtrusive way. Backwards rate, USD to ALGO in a fundamentally enormous way. Algorand value expectation. In the not-so-distant future and month Algorand cost expectation on Monday, June 12, cost $0.10. Genuinely most extreme 0.11, especially least 0.09, which really shows that the earlier day close, 0.1111, which is genuinely critical. Algorand gauge on Tuesday, June 13, cost $0.10. Beautiful greatest 0.11, by and large least 0.09, which for the most part is very critical. Algorand cost expectation on Wednesday, June 14, cost $0.10. Beautiful most extreme 0.11, truly least 0.09 in a significant way. Algorand estimate on Thursday, June 15, cost $0.09. Exceptionally greatest 0.10, lovely least 0.08, or so they basically thought. Algorand cost expectation on Friday, June 16, cost $0.09, greatest 0.10, genuinely least 0.08, which especially is very critical. In multi-week Algorand estimate on Monday, June 19, cost $0.08, extremely greatest 0.09, especially least 0.07. Certainly further appearance how Algorand conjecture on Tuesday, June 13, cost $0.10, most certainly greatest 0.11, fundamentally least 0.09, which is genuinely critical. Algorand cost expectation on Tuesday, June 20, cost $0.08, beautiful most extreme 0.09, in every way that really matters, least 0.07, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Algorand gauge on Wednesday, June 21, cost $0.08, sort of most extreme 0.09, certainly least 0.07 in a genuinely large way. Algorand cost expectation on Thursday, June 22, cost $0.08, kind of most extreme 0.09, in every way that really matters, least 0.07 in a by and large huge manner. Algorand estimate on Friday, June 23, cost $0.08, genuinely greatest 0.09, in every way that really matters, least 0.07, which generally is very critical. In about 14 days Algorand cost forecast on Monday, June 26, cost $0.08, kind of greatest 0.09, kind of least 0.07, which especially is very huge. Algorand gauge on Tuesday, June 27, cost $0.08, truly greatest 0.09, least 0.07, or so they by and large thought. Algorand cost expectation on Wednesday, June 28, cost $0.08, sort of greatest 0.09, in every way that really matters, least 0.07, which generally is very critical. Algorand gauge on Thursday, June 29, cost $0.08, really most extreme 0.09, fundamentally least 0.07 in an unpretentious way. Algorand cost forecast on Friday, June 30, cost $0.08, especially most extreme 0.09, kind of least 0.07. In 3 weeks Algorand gauge on Monday, July 3, cost $0.08, really most extreme 0.09, fundamentally least 0.07 in an unpretentious way. Algorand cost expectation on Tuesday, July 4, cost $0.08, sort of most extreme 0.09, truly least 0.07, or so they truly thought. Algorand estimate on Wednesday, July 5, cost $0.08, beautiful most extreme 0.09, in every way that really matters, least 0.07 in a very significant way. Algorand cost forecast on Thursday, July 6, cost $0.08, sort of most extreme 0.09, lovely least 0.07 in a truly significant way. Algorand gauge on Friday, July 7, cost $0.08, truly most extreme 0.09, exceptionally least 0.07. Showing how Algorand figure on Tuesday, June 13, cost $0.10, greatest 0.11, truly least 0.09, which sort of is very critical. In about a month Algorand cost expectation on Monday, July 10, cost $0.08, most extreme 0.09, certainly least 0.07, or so they truly thought. Algorand estimate on Tuesday, July 11, cost $0.08, for the most part greatest 0.09 in every practical sense, least 0.07 in a kind of huge way. USD to ALGO swapping scale sort of equivalent to 9.1324 coins per $1 in an unpretentious manner. Today, S-reach 8.9767-9.3284, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. The past day, S-nearby 9.0009, which by and large is very huge. Change for now plus 0.1315, plus 1.46%. USD to ALGO cost figure for in the not-so-distant future in month, so in about a month. Algorand cost expectation on Monday, July 10, cost $0.08, for the most part greatest 0.09, by and large least 0.07, which certainly is genuinely critical. Dollar to Algorand gauge on Monday, June 12, cost 10.000 coins, genuinely greatest 11.111, lovely least 9.091, which especially is genuinely huge. USD to ALGO forecast on Tuesday, June 13, cost 10.000 coins, by and large greatest 11.111, kind of least 9.091, or so they basically thought. Dollar to Algorand estimate on Wednesday, June 14, cost 10.000 coins, kind of greatest 11.111, really least 9.091 in an unpretentious way. Dollar to Algorand figure on Friday, June 16, cost 11.111 coins, genuinely greatest 12.500, truly least 10.000, which really is genuinely huge. In multi-week USD to ALGO expectation on Monday, June 19, cost 12.500 coins, especially most extreme 14.286, in every way that really matters, least 11.111, showing how Algorand cost forecast on Friday, June 30, cost $0.08, in every way that really matters, greatest 0.09, especially least 0.07 in an unobtrusive way. Dollar to Algorand gauge on Tuesday, June 20, cost 12.500 coins, truly greatest 14.286, truly least 11.111. So today, S exchange cost range 0.1072 to 0.1114, which most certainly is very critical. USD to ALGO expectation on Wednesday, June 21, cost 12.500 coins, in every practical sense, greatest 14.286, certainly least 11.111, which for the most part shows that Algorand cost expectation on Tuesday, July 4, cost $0.08, extremely greatest 0.09, essentially least 0.07, or so they truly thought. Dollar to Algorand figure on Thursday, June 22, cost 12.500 coins, most extreme 14.286, truly least 11.111 in a very significant way. USD to ALGO expectation on Friday,